You loved this video.
Did you or your significant other think it'd be a great idea to let your kids put stickers all over their doors?
I'm going to break down even more ways to use a hairdryer to remove stickers. We are going to test out a lot of different options. On my desk, I have a wide variety of items that we are going to try taking the sticker off. So let's see how it goes with the hairdryer. Okay, the first thing is glass, and this is actually glass with a sticker that has been washed. So let's see if this hairdryer can get the sticker off. Okay, so the sticker came off like really easy. It did not come off when I tried to pick at it, but now I'm left with sticky residue. So this one is we will figure this part out later. So next up, I have permanent and semi-permanent or removable, however they're labeled, vinyl labels. So as you can see, you have to like really pick at the permanent ones to even get it like to kind of come up with a little bit of stuff. This one's a little easier to come off, but again, you still have to pick to get it off. Okay, I might have burnt my finger. Oh my God, look at that. Wow, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Just don't burn your finger. Yes. So this is a total yes. This one was the semi-permanent or removable label on metal, I guess this is. So that worked. Yes, thumbs up. Now let's try permanent on this plastic. I'm not gonna, look at that, I burnt my thumb. Okay, so this was coming off. Maybe I might have needed, nope. So let's try. Oh yeah. Okay, so I just didn't do it long enough. Okay, so hairdryer method works on plastic containers for permanent vinyl labels. I had it on high and I did it for, it was probably like 20 seconds. Really easy once the glue was, so that's a yes. Okay, next up, I'm gonna try and take off a home goods label. And if you know how annoying these labels are to take off because of all the holes and stuff, let's see if this actually comes off and if this actually, or if it leaves like a sticky residue. So again, hairdryer on high. I do have like this little attachment on that does make a difference. Okay, let's see. Stop it. That home goods label came off so easy with all of the little like holes in it. Is this one? Because this one was hot too. This whole thing is hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is like a really big deal. Any label with those circle things on it comes off with the heat. Yes. Okay, this is like game changer, you guys. Okay, next up, I'm doing a candle. Now, the reason why I'm doing a candle, if you're giving a gift and the price tag's on the bottom, I want to see not only does this come off, but does it melt the candle? So this is what my candle looks like on the inside right now, okay? And so I want to see if it melts it by doing this heat thing to the bottom of the candle. This is kind of like a 2-in-1 for you. Okay, that was pretty warm. I still got to pick at it. Oh, nope. This one isn't the best. I'm going to say not. So this canister also isn't a glass canister. Okay, the candle still feels hard, but it didn't really get the sticker off. Like, you probably could have just pulled the sticker off yourself for the same energy this took. So I'm going to say no. Okay, so I have two different pieces of wood. This one feels more like, well, they both feel like fake wood, but this one seems a little more solid than this base. So we're going to try this method on these two stickers. As you can see, they're not coming up that easy. So let's give the hairdryer trick a test. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that came off really easy. Oh, but it's sticky. Okay, so the sticky stuff still stayed on. So this, darn it. So that's a no. I'm going to say, same with the glass. Or it's a maybe. It's a half. We'll say it's a half. So this is a half. Okay, now onto this one. Ooh, and it's not. Okay, so on this thinner wood, it worked. On thicker wood, it didn't. Yeah, this is not sticky. Right, so that's a yes. Okay, this is another like plastic bin. So this is like coming up, but then it's getting stuck. So I want to see on a plastic bin if it'll come off smooth or if it's going to like leave all the crumples. Oh, see this one? Yeah, like this one. Let's see if we can get it all in one swoop. Oh, all right. Okay, this did not need as much time. This was a very quick one. And I also used the hairdryer as I was peeling it to loosen up the glue, which really helped. So that is a yes. Okay, the last thing we have is a ceramic base with sticker on it. So this is ceramic. So let's see if the blow dryer works on ceramic. No. Oh, no. This one is not looking, because it had the curly cues. Yep, it didn't get it all. Bummer. Okay, so that's a no. So we have the yes surfaces, the sort of, but now they're sticky. And then no. If you have any tricks for removing sticky, please leave them down in the comments. As you can see, using heat can totally help change how you remove stickers from like basically anything. So let me know in the comments what you've used to get off those pesky stickers that are so difficult on some of your bins, baskets, or labels.